The paragraph group of commands are used to control paragraph formatting options, such as alignment, indentation, and line spacing. The alignment commands align paragraphs to the left, center, right, or justify text so that it is aligned to both margins. The indentation of paragraphs can be increased or decreased through the increase and decrease indent commands. The space between lines is controlled by the line and paragraph spacing command. To set double spacing, for example, we can choose 2.0. The dialog launcher in the corner of the paragraph group shows the full range of paragraph formatting options. For example, we can set a precise indentation from the left and even indent from the right. Special indentation can be set. This means that the first line is indented, or hanging indentation can be used, which means the subsequent lines in a paragraph. The spacing options include the amount of space before or after a paragraph, and more options around line spacing. An alternative way to set indentation options is to use the ruler. First, enable the ruler via the View menu. Then use the upper triangular slider to set the first line indent. The lower triangular slider to set the hanging indent, or the rectangle to set the overall indent.